Namaste दोस्तों. Hello friends, this is Suman Sharma. Welcome back to my channel Suman Education Hub English. In today's video, we are going to learn 3 or 4 topics in one video. I'm going to tell you in this video how you have to do GST configuration, how you will create stock item in Telegram, and if you don't want to keep it anymore, any kind of stock, so how you will delete, alter stock in Telegram. And next I'm going to tell you how you will create stock group in Telegram and how you will delete, alter created stock group in Telegram. And there is 2 or 3 more topics I'm going to tell you in this video. So before starting video and before moving to the video, it's my personal request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, which is Suman Education Hub English. I have one more channel in Hindi language. If you people want to learn accounting in Hindi language, so you can search my channel Suman Education Hub. There I will teach accounting in Hindi language, so it's depend on you in which language you want to learn, English or Hindi. I have both channel related accounts. So let's get started. Today's video we are going to learn how to do configuration, GST related configuration in Telegram. So before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you, if you are coming visiting first time to my channel, so please like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future videos. If you have created company and you want to do configuration related GST, so how you will configure, I'm going to tell you in this video. And how to create company, I have already told in my previous video. If you have not watched that video as yet, so go and watch by searching how to create company by Suman Education Hub. You will get my channel and you will get that video. You can watch how to create company in Telegram. After creating company, we need to configure in GST related. So click on company and then click on features option or F11 options. From there you can get to see a new window is appearing on your screen. So from here you have to configure of your company. So first option is show more features. So you have to mark these both options as a yes. When you will mark this option yes, you can see all the options will be show on your window. First is accounting, second inventory, taxes related option, online access, payroll and others. All option will be appear. So first we have to mark this both option as a yes. So from one by one I will start configuring and I will show you how to configure all the options accordingly. You can mark yes or no all these options according your requirement. So first option is accounting. If you want to maintain your account in Teleprime, so first option you have to show maintain account. So press yes if you want to maintain accounts, because we are here for maintaining our account. So this option must be marked as a yes. Second option is enable bill wise entry. If you want to maintain your accounts bill wise entry, like your suppliers, your buyers bill wise, so mark yes. Third option is enable cost center. If you want to maintain your accounting through cost center, so you can mark this option yes, or you can skip this, mark no if you don't want and if you don't need. Third is enable interest calculation. If you want to calculate interest on your buyers invoices or the suppliers invoices, so you can mark this option yes, or you can skip this. So let's go for inventory. Maintain inventory. If you want to maintain inventory, your stock along with accounting, so mark this option yes, otherwise you can skip this. If you're a manufacturing company, if you're a trading company, if you want to maintain inventory, so mark this option yes. Second is integrate account with inventory. If you want to maintain account with accounts, so you can mark this option yes, otherwise you can mark this option no. Enable multi price level. If you want to maintain your multiple price level, so mark this yes, otherwise no. Next option is enable batches. If you are maintaining medical store, if you are maintaining hospital stores, if you are maintaining a bike showroom store, if you are maintaining any kind of business which is maintained by using batches, then you have to mark this option yes, otherwise you don't need to mark this option no. because this kind of businesses is basically maintained by using batches. So if you are maintaining this kind of businesses, then you have to mark yes, otherwise you can skip this by mentioning no. So I'm going to mention no because I'm not going to maintain account batch wise. Next option is enable job order processing. If you want to maintain your account with job order processing, then you have to mark, otherwise you can mark as a no. Enable cost tracking. So I'm going to no because I don't need enable cost tracking. And second, next option is enable job costing. No, I don't need it. If you need, you can mark yes. Use discount column in invoices. Let's suppose you are giving a discount to your buyers. So if you want to add column discount column in your invoices, then you have to mark this option yes. Otherwise, if you are not giving discount, so mark this option as a no. Use separate actual and billed quantity column in invoices. Let's suppose you are giving buy one get one, this kind of invoicing you are maintaining, and you are making invoicing this kind of, so then you have to mark this option yes. Next is GST details. Enter, then you can see new window will be appear on your screen. Over here you have to fill your GST details of your company related. So first, GST registration details. You have to select your state, which state you are doing business, and then registration type and your GST details, all the details you have to fill over there and press yes. Second option is enable tax detected at source. If you're deducting tax, so press yes, and you have to fill all the information related TDS, like company TDS deductor details. If you're a deductor deducting TDS, your parties, so fill all the details like your TAN number, your registration number, everything detail you have to fill and then save. Enable tax calculated at source. If you're collecting TCS, then press yes and fill all the information related there. Enable value tax VAT. Skip this online access. If you want to access your online data, so press yes. Payroll. So there is a payroll, master payroll. If you are maintaining your account salary through payroll, so yes, otherwise skip this. In others, enable multiple address, yes, otherwise skip no. So we have seen in this video how to configure in created company in Jelly Prime. I have told you and I have shared every detail with you, so you can fill and you can provide all the details as per your requirement. There is a accounts option, inventory options, taxation options, online access options, payroll options and other options. All the options are there, so you have to fill accordingly you. I am hoping successfully you are also able to configure your created company in Tally Prime as I show you in this video how to create stock group in Tally Prime. If you are coming first time, visiting first time to my YouTube channel, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future videos. So let's get started. So from Gateway of Tally, click on create option and then click on stock group option. From here we will create a new stock group. Let's suppose you are running mobile business, there's a lot of companies mobile you have, so you need to create a mobile stock group. So you have to type mobile under primary and save. This mobile stock group has been created successfully. In this way, let's suppose you are running TV business, so you have a lot of companies TV, so you need to create a stock item of TV. So create like this I'm showing. Next we will create washing machine stock item. So washing machine, take under primary and save this. You can see mobile and TV stock group already created, which is showing in right hand side. In this way you can also create stock item of any product. I will show you how to use this stock item. So let's create a one stock item. I'm going to create a mobile stock item. Let's suppose we are creating Samsung mobile. Here we have to select under stock group. We have created already mobile stock group, mobile and pieces. So let's suppose you are running mobile business. There is a so many companies mobile, variation mobile. So you can create something like this and you have to use your stock group in this way. as I'm showing you. So in this way, you can also create stock group item in TallyPrime as I show you. From gateway of TallyPress, yes, you can see here stock summary has been opened. Now I'll show you how you can see created stock item in TallyPrime. From the right hand side, you can see configuration option, press on it. Now you can see here one option is showing show stock item with zero quantity or balances. You have to mark this option yes and save this screen by pressing Ctrl A. Now you can see created stock group is showing over here, which we have already created mobile stock group. If you will press Shift plus enter on mobile, you can see created stock item under this group. How you will create input taxation ledger, which we are going to use for purchase invoices. When we are going to record entry of purchase invoices, that time we need these ledgers. So I'm going to tell you how you will create input CGST, input SGST and input IGST ledger in TallyPrime. So before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, Suman Education Hub English. And let's get started. So I have opened TallyPrime, and if we want to create a new ledger from in TallyPrime, so from gateway of Tally, click on create option and then click on ledger option. From here you can create any of your new ledgers. So I'm going to create today's taxation ledger, input CGST ledger. So we are going to create input CGST ledger. Under you have to select group duties and taxes. Type of duty taxes, select GST. As we are going to create input CGST, so we will select central tax, and by pressing Ctrl A, save this ledger. Next ledger we are going to create input SGST. Under group you have to select duties and taxes, and type of duty and taxes, select GST. And as we are going to create input SGST ledger, so we will select state tax. By pressing Ctrl A, save this ledger. Next ledger we will create input IGST. Under group you have to select duties and taxes and then GST and then integrated tax. By pressing Ctrl A, save this. So in this video we have seen how to create taxation ledger for input CGST, input SGST, input IGST in TallyPrime. How to create output taxes ledger in TallyPrime, which is going to be used on sale invoices. So output CGST, output SGST, output IGST. How you will create all these ledger, I'm going to tell you in this video. So before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you, please like, share and subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future videos and you will not miss any of my future video. So let's get started. So from gateway of Tally, if you want to create any of new ledger, so click on create option and then click on ledger option. From here we are going to create our ledgers. So first I am going to open output CGST ledger. Output CGST ledger. Under group you have to select duties and taxes, and type of duty, select GST, and as because we are going to create CGST, so we are going to select central tax, and by pressing Ctrl A, save this ledger. Next ledger I am going to create output as GST. Under same group we will create this ledger, duties and taxes, and type of duty tax, GST. As we are going to create output as GST, so we will select from here state tax. By pressing Ctrl A, save this ledger. Next ledger we are going to create output IGST ledger. Output IGST. Under group we have to select same duties and taxes, type of duties and taxes, GST, and tax type. As we are going to create output IGST, so we need to select integrated tax, and by pressing Ctrl A, you have to save this ledger.
So we have successfully created our three ledgers: output CGST, output SGST, output ISGST, which is going to be used in our sale invoices. While making sale invoices, we will use all these ledgers. So in our upcoming videos, I will show you how you will use these ledgers on sale invoices. So if you want to see created ledger in Tally brand, so you can see from Gateway of Tally, click on Alter option and click on Ledger option. From here you can see these ledger we have created: output CGST, output IGST, output SGST. So in this way you can also create these ledger in Tally Prime.
What is the uses of in Teleprime create, shut and alter? So in this video basically we are going to see all these options uses, how you will use these options in Teleprime. So before starting video and before moving to the video, it's my personal request to all of you, if you are coming first time, visiting first time, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. Click on company option and now you can see top of the left corner you can see create, alter, change, select, shut. All these options I'm going to tell you how you will use in Teleprime. So first, if you want to create a new company, so you can click on create option and you can create new company from here. You can type your company name and your all the company's information over here, and by pressing Ctrl A save this screen, your new company will be create. So let's see second option. Second option is alter. So what is the uses of alter? Let's suppose if you want to do alteration of any created company, like if you want to change your address, if you want to update your mobile number or your email ID, you can alter any of information related company by using alter option. Any kind of changes you can make from here related your company, like your, if you want to update your company's registered address or your mobile number or your email ID, website, any of changes you can make from here, and after changes, by pressing Ctrl A you can save the changes. So here I'm going to change mobile number. So you can see I am changing mobile number. So in this way you can also change and save this. So this is the basically uses of alteration option in Teleprime. Let's move to the next option, which is click on company option, and third option is change. So what is the uses of change option? When you will click on change option, you will see list of companies. You can change your company from here. So there is only one company, because we have created only one company, that's why there is showing only one company. If you have 3 or 4 or 10 companies, so you can change whatever company you want to change. You can select them and press enter, company will be changed. So this is the basically uses of change option. You can easily change your existing company, in which company you want to work, you can change that company. Whatever company you will select, you will see that company will show you on this screen. So let's move to the next option. So I'm going to click on company option, and then there is a next option is shut. So what is the uses of shut? Shut option is basically used for shutting company. Let's suppose you are changing, and if you want to shut company, there is open 3 or 4 company on your Tally Prime screen. So if you want to shut any of company, so by clicking on shut option you can shut any of company you want. So this is the basically uses of shut option in Tally Prime. So in today's video we have seen the uses of create, alter, change, shut. All these options we have seen, how you will use and what is the uses of this option in Teleprime, how to create stock item in Teleprime. So I have opened Teleprime, and from gateway of Tele click on create option, and from here you can see under inventory master you will get stock item option. Click on stock item option, and from here you will see a new window has been opened. So from here we are going to create our stock item. So you can create your stock item, any of your stock item from here. in which product and in which stock your company are dealing. You can create those stock item name from here. So I'm going to create electrical iron. If you want to create brand name wise stock item, you can create from here. So I'm going to create electrical iron of Bajaj company. So stock item name would be electrical iron Bajaj. So in this way you can create your stock item with brand name. Otherwise you can also create like electrical iron, or if you want to mention brand name in stock item, so you can create like this electrical iron Khaitan. So I have created a stock item group. So I'm going to, if I'm creating iron, so I'm going to select electrical iron group which I have already created, and I have already uploaded video how to create stock item group in Telegram. If you did not watch as yet, so you can watch by searching how to create stock item by Suman Education Hub English. You will get that video and you can watch that video. And the next option is unit. So you can select unit numbers or pieces, any of unit you are going to sell, you can select from here. And in GST applicable, so yes, GST will be applicable. Next option is set alter GST detail. So mark this option as yes and press enter, and you have to fill all the information related GST. So you can see there is showing HSN and taxability, taxable option. All this option is showing here. You have to fill this option. If this option is not showing over here, so you from the right hand side click on configure option, and you have to first option you will get allow HSN details. So you have to mark this option as a yes. So all the options will be enabled and you can use these options. So in description, if you wish, you can mention your stock item name. So I'm going to mention electrical iron Khaitan. If you don't want to mention, you can skip it. And next option is HSN. So you have to fill your stock item HSN code over here. So I'm going to fill HSN code of the stock item. Next, taxability. To select taxability in taxable option. Next is you have to mention your tax rate for your stock item. Whatever is stock rate for your stock item, you have to mention. So I'm going to mention 18% because on iron, electrical iron, this is a 18% tax rate. Type of supply, choose goods because we are going to create stock item, so we need to choose goods option and save this. So first stock item we have created. Move to the second stock item. How you will create, I'm going to show you in this video 2 3 stock item creating. So you will understand how you will create stock item by using stock group. So second, we are going to create electrical ceiling fan. First, we have created electrical iron, and second, we are going to create electrical ceiling fan. You can mention your brand name in the last of stock item, and under you can select list of group. We have created electrical ceiling fan stock group, so you can select electrical ceiling fan stock group. And in unit, you can select any of pieces or number in which unit you are going to sell your product. In GST applicable, so yes, GST will be applicable on the product. Set alter GST details, mark yes, press enter, and fill HSN code of the stock item. And in taxability, choose taxable option and fill whatever tax rate is for the stock item. So I'm going to select 18% for the stock item tax rate and save this stock item. So second stock item we have created. So same likewise, you can also create any of stock item in Telegram. Product can be anything, you can create in same way. So let's create one more stock item. I'm going to create electrical GMG. GMG means juicer, mixer, grinder. And in the last of stock item, you can mention your brand name. Electrical GMG. Let's suppose it would be Sunrise. So I'm going to mention in the last Sunrise. Under we have already created stock group for this stock item. So I'm going to select stock group GMG. In unit, you can select pieces or number any of unit. GST applicable. So yes, GST will be applicable. In set alter GST detail, mark yes and press enter. Fill HSN code In taxability, select taxable option, and whatever tax rate is for this stock item, you can fill this. In type of supply, select good option and then save this option. So in this way we have created electrical JMG stock item. And in this way and following this way, you can create any of stock item in Tally Prime. So let me show you one more stock item. So electrical roti maker, you can mention your product brand name in the last of stock item. And under group we have created roti maker stock group, so we will select roti maker stock group option. And in unit, if we are selling this roti maker in number unit, so select number unit. GST applicable, set alter GST yes, and fill HSN code. In taxability, select taxable option, and 28% tax rate is on roti maker. And in type of supply, select good option and then save this stock item. In this way you can create any of stock item, any number of stock item which your company is dealing. So as I told you in this video, so I hope this video will help you out and you will understand how to create a stock item in Telegram. And if you want to see created stock item, and if you want to analyze your stock item in Telegram, so how you will analyze the stock item in Telegram, let me tell you. So from gateway of Tele, we need to go to gateway of Tele, and from there we can see stock item analysis. So from gateway of Tele, press yes, just for Suman. So you will directly reach on stock item summary. So you can see there is showing all those stock item which we have created: electrical ceiling fan, electrical iron. So all these are a stock group, and we have created a stock item. If you want to see those stock items, so you have to press enter on the stock group. You can see in the below stock group, you can see a created stock item there is showing. So in this way you can also analyze those created stock, and you can see how much quantity is available over there. So there is not showing in quantity any number, because we have not sale or purchase as yet. That's why there is not showing. When we will sell and purchase, so the quantity will show. How to delete and alter created stock group in Telegram. If you don't want to keep any more your created stock group, so how you can delete. And if you want to do any kind of alteration, so how you will alter in your created stock group, I'm going to tell you in this video. So click on alter option and then stock group option, and here you can see I have created 5 stock group. From here, you can select any of stock group, in which stock group you want to do alteration. So I want to alter in immersion heater. This is a stock group I have created. In this stock group, I want to change the name of stock group. This is a immersion heater, and I want to change into immersion heater to immersion water heater. So I will edit the stock group name immersion water heater, and after editing, after alteration, I will save this stock item group immersion water heater, and I will save this by pressing Ctrl A. Now you can see stock group name is changed. Before it was immersion water, and now it is immersion water heater. This is how you can change your creator stock group in Telegram as I show you. So in this way you can also alter, or you can also change your created stock item. Next I'm going to tell you how to delete created stock group if you don't want to keep it anymore. So how you will delete created stock group. So in which group you want to delete, you have to select first. Let's suppose I'm going to select this immersion water heater, and I want to delete this stock group. So how I will delete? From here you have to press alt plus D. Tally will ask you if you want to delete yes, so press yes. If you don't want to delete, so press no. So I'm going to delete this stock group, so I'm going to click on yes option. So you will see this stock group will be deleted. Now you can see there is not showing immersion water heater stock, because I have deleted that. So this is how you can also alter and delete created stock group in Telegram. So before starting video and before move into the video, it's my personal request to all of you. If you are coming first time, visiting first time, and if you haven't subscribed my this channel, so please like, share and subscribe to this channel so that channel can grow and I can make more and more videos related accounts in English language. So, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my future videos. So let's see how to create business current bank account in TelePrime. So I have opened TelePrime, and if you want to create, so click on create option and then click on ledger option, and from here we will create our business current bank account. Let's suppose our bank name is SBI Bank. So I'm going to type here SBI bank account. So whatever your bank, you can type over here. Under group you have to select bank account because bank ledger used to create under group bank account. Next you have to provide your bank account details like account number, IFS code, NEFT code, bank name, branch, all the details you have to provide related your bank account. Next is bank configuration. If you want to do bank configuration, like if you want to set your checkbook and if you have to enable your check printing, so you can press yes and enable all these options as per your requirement. So how you will use the bank configuration option, I will tell you in our future video how you have to use these options in teleprime. So by pressing Ctrl A, we have successfully create our bank current bank account in teleprime. Same likewise, if you have another current bank account, so how you will create, same way you have to create. Click on create option and then click on ledger option, and from here I'm going to show you creating one more bank account so that you will understand how to create if you have 2 3 bank account. So next bank is HDFC Bank. Under same group we have to select bank account, and related bank account detail you have to provide all like account number, IFS code, bank name, branch, all the details you have to provide correctly. And after that, if you want to set bank configuration, you can set, otherwise you can skip it. And by pressing Ctrl A, save this ledger. So we have created 2 bank ledger. So in this way you can also create if you have 2 3 bank accounts, so same way you can create. Now if you want to see where this bank account will show you in balance sheet, so I will show you where this ledger will be show you. So click on go to option, and from here we will open balance sheet. So click on balance sheet option, and your bank account will show in asset side, in right hand side of the balance sheet. So you have to click on current assets, and in current assets you can see bank account option is showing over here. Press enter on bank account, so you will see SBI Bank is showing over here. And why HDFC Bank is not showing, because we did not do any transaction with that by using HDFC Bank. That's why that's bank is not showing over here. If we will pass entry and if we will do transaction with that bank, so that bank will also show here. So if you wish, you can search my channel on Google or on YouTube by searching Suman Education Hub English. You will get my channel over there and you will get all the videos related accounts in English language. And if you have any query, you can search on Google or on YouTube, and the end of your query you have to type my channel name Suman Education Hub English. You will get my videos on the top of the search and you can watch. If you did not get your query solution, you can comment me in the comments below box. Definitely I will try to help you out. I wish this video will help you out. If this video will help you out, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you and keep watching my videos.